welcome to the channel. Welcome to the job site. Here we are. Got another nice job going on. We're doing vinyl siding on this old barn. Homeowner's a subscriber. Can you believe that? It's actually working. Anyway, he's a subscriber. He's also ex-military. And we want to give a shout out to the United States Air Force. That's what he used to be. All right, guys. That's cool. So check out what we got going on. We had some issues here with the land was higher than the walls, and the bottom of the walls were rotting out from all the water. Check it out what I got going on. Let's start over here. Alright, this is what we had. We had T111 on here. Came all the way down to the ground, and it was wicking the water up and rotting all the T111 off the bottom. So I had an excavator come in, Joe, the guy who did it was in our other video. He planed this out real nice right here, dug in, put some drainage, and then put some riverbed rock on top of here to get rid of the water. Runs out around the back and down the other side. We were here a couple weeks ago and we did the roof. That came out really nice. So now we got the OSB. We cut the T111 off, put on the OSB. Then we held this ice and water down past the foundation. So anything gets behind there, it's going to come out the bottom and go away. And then we're putting vinyl on. So that's what we got going on here. We got vinyl here. Got some vinyl soffit we did here. And this is awesome. This is old soffit that was in the house when it was brand new. It was hanging around. We used it. So you can see here, he dug this all out. Brought it around so there's no more dirt against the wall. And then we're working on the vinyl. There she is, guys. We got it down and away. You can barely see it right there, but that's the foundation. That's the foundation right there, concrete foundation. So no water can get inside there now. So we got this side done, working our way around. And over here, we got vinyl shake going on top. And the siding goes on the bottom part. They also put in a new door today. There it is. Give a little shout out there to Hudak Door. Them guys come out there, this is a custom door, 12 foot.
Done in an hour.
1 hour they were done. Look how much nicer this barn's gonna be, guys. Alright, well, we're done for the day. We've been goofing around all day here. Kind of wet, we got a couple inches. We didn't have rain for weeks. We got an inch of rain last night. Right before the Guardians game. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. That's the easy way.
Yeah. One more.
There she is, guys. She looks good. Look at this side over here. It's beautiful. Let's take a look in the back. Got this all planed down real nice. Stone. Right here's their backyard. This nice woods right here. Bet you some bucks run through here. Here's the back. Missing 2 pieces of fascia. Tried to get it at Home Depot, didn't have it this morning, so I gotta go to Carter or Lowe's. But she's basically done, guys. She is all done. That vinyl shake looks awesome. Gotta admit, there you go. Hi, Vern. Hey guys, welcome back. This is our last day here. We're done with this vinyl siding. Just a DIY and simple siding, making an old barn look good. Sometimes that's hard to do, but new siding makes it look very nice and kind of inexpensive. All right, guys. So hey, look for me. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube. Find me, man. And want to get a shout out there to the Air Force. Hoorah! That's probably Marines, but anyway. And all you guys retired men out there. And I want to get another shout out to my good buddy and subscriber, Ronald. He got in a bad motorcycle accident last week, and thoughts and prayers out to him. Send him that way. Come on, Ron. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.